Welcome to today's video. We're going to be creating this very beautiful, natural, nudish, no makeup, neutral makeup. Yeah, and if you're loving what you're seeing, I hope you are, because I'm definitely loving it. It's looking very flawless, very skin-like, very glam, very everyday friendly as well. So yeah, if you're loving what you're seeing, then definitely do keep on watching. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Please do that right now. I appreciate that. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing or if you like this video, and feel free to comment down below, share, and let's get right into this video, guys.
Hey loves, so I went ahead to just apply a little bit of a liquid highlighter just to give my face that kind of natural radiating glow that just shows or pierces through whenever you use a liquid highlighter before your foundation. It just makes it look a lot more dewy, a lot more natural and healthy. So yeah, now I'm going ahead to apply my foundation, and this is the black opal foundation. I'm just applying it around the perimeters of my face because this foundation is a bit darker than my face, so I'm using it as a contour-ish kind of just to bronze up my face. So I went ahead to just highlight my face using my really trusted LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. Now I'm going over it with ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Tan 50, and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes and the bridge of my nose just to give underneath my eyes that kind of highlight pop, because that's where I like highlighted the most, underneath my eyes. Yes, I'm just going ahead to blend it out, and I'm blending out from the edges first before I dab the internal the inner corners basically. And I'm going ahead to just blend everything all in, mix the concealer with my foundation so everything looks seamless. Now I'm just going ahead to just set it with my setting powder, and I think this is the Sacha buttercup setting powder. So yeah, I'm just going ahead to just pat that in, and I'm pressing in the excess product, and I'm going to be swiping out the leftover product. Now using my pressed powder from Tara Cosmetics, I'm just going ahead to just first of all brush out the excess setting powder that we had applied on our face, and then going ahead to just pat the darker shade to kind of like chisel out my face and to contour as well. Now I'm going ahead with my eyebrows. I am just going to draw this on camera and off camera. Basically, I'm just using a pencil because I always use a pencil. I'm trying to migrate to a gel, but let's see how it goes. I'm just going to draw thin strokes in the and then brush that out as well. Now to conceal, I'm using the same concealer that I use, which is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Tan 50, to like clean up my brows. And to set it down, I'm using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Now I went ahead with an orange shade, that really light orange shade that kind of like has like a yellowish undertone to it, and I'm using that first up as my first transition shade just to give my eyes a little bit of warmth. Now I'm also going in with that same shade that I used to kind of like contour my face. I'm using that on my crease to give my crease a little bit of more depth, but to just maintain that same nudity to maintain that naturalness, brown girl friendly look basically. So I'm trying to keep it soft, keep it natural, and keep it real. Yes, so I'm gonna have to just blend it all in with that same brush that I used for the first transition shade. And now that we're done, sorry I didn't show you guys the color that I'm using again, but it's also from the same pressed powder palette that I just showed you guys, and I'm using like a nudish powder. You can use a pressed eyeshadow that has like a neutral tone to it, or you could just use your setting powder. Basically, I just wanted something very neutral, and that is why I did that. So I'm going ahead to line my waterline with this blue pencil to give the nude look a little bit of a pop, just a little. So for my lashes, I'm using the Cherish official lashes, and I'm using the style Nimi, and this was sent to me by Tika4. It's an online beauty retail store here in Nigeria. So if you're liking the lashes as well as the contacts, you can definitely check them out and get yours from there. Yeah, so I'm going ahead to just line my lips with a brown pencil, but I love to line my lips to kind of like give it that definition basically. And for my lipstick, I'm using the Makeup Revolution lipstick in the shade Lip Share, and this is from their Ultra Nude 2018 collection. And always, you guys know that I always use this palette for my highlights. I'm using the Golden Sugar 2 palette, also by Makeup Revolution. I'm using that golden shade because it is so beautiful, and most times I top it up with that kind of like silverish champagne like shade as well. I'm just going to be highlighting the areas that I want to pop. That's the bridge of my nose, not really the bridge of my nose, like that area in between my eyes. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, my forehead, but not too much. And I'm using this blending brush because I want to kind of like be precise and be minimal, as well as blend out the highlights. So now I'm done with that. Yeah, see that glow, loving it, loving it. I went ahead to just set it all in with my Makeup Revolution's Fix Spray, and guys, that's it. We are done. Now you can look like a glow natural goddess. You can look glam. You can wear this every day. You can wear this for weddings. You can, you know, wear this everywhere basically. Okay guys, so that is it for this video, and like I said, I'm currently loving it. It is very neutral, it's very glam, it's very like I have no makeup on, but I do have a lot of makeup. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. If you haven't yet, then please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned to whenever I post. Stay tuned so you get notified every time I post a video. Please do click on the notification button bell just beside the subscribe button if you haven't yet, and give me a thumbs up again. I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you guys. Bye guys.